Hi everybody, we're here in, what do you call this one? Tierra Mercedes Nature Resort here.
Yeah, we're here to be
Yung ano, astig yung...
ano na kanta yan?
Shoot! Shoot!
Ano na kanta yan?
Ikaw na,
Andrew Town.
shoot! Shoot!
Gusto ko pumasok sa resort. Kung dalawang araw
So, Luis is telling me that he wants to go to the resort, to my resort, which is the, what do you call this one?
Tierra
Mercedes Nature Resort.
lifestyle content.
It's a man who can be moved.
This is a normal day for DBC member in University of Luzon colleges.
Happy New Year, everyone! Happy New Year! Tapos,